I used the complete collagen last time, which I think has 8,000 milligrams of collagen, and this one has 10,000. So the reason I used it before was more for the physical, like muscular benefits it's meant to have. So I think this might be more for beauty, like skincare related. So this might not work as well as the previous one did. But I thought I'd give it a go. It's got a bit more collagen and see if it helps my muscles and tendons, etc. I don't think I'm particularly susceptible to injuries, but I run a lot, and it's on streets as well, not treadmills or cross country or anything. So my knees and ankles do get a bit of a battering. Occasionally, my knee ligaments do need some TLC. Hopefully this can help. I think it is the bovine collagen as opposed to the marine. So I think there are claims that bovine collagen is better than marine. I don't know which one is better, but this is the reason I chose Protocol. So the last time was citrus, and that was really sweet, but it was very tasty. So this is red berry, so I'll feed back how this one tastes. Yeah, so there's only 15 days in this one, so I think you're meant to use it for a month, so I may need to get a second pack to do a month-long trial. Very easy to eat. It's already in a pre-portioned pack, so you don't have to worry about mixing it in with anything. You just take it as it's given.
Protocol Collagen is our bovine collagen brand essential. And for those who don't really know what bovine is, it comes from cows, so obviously it's not suitable for vegetarians and vegans. However, what makes bovine that little bit more different is the fact as well as doing hair, skin and nails, it also does your joints, bones, strengthens your joints, bones and muscles, and a little bit of gut improvement as well. So this is why I want to try this one. After trying the old citrus flavour, I saw great results, but the flavour just wasn't for me. It's not beefy, don't get me wrong, it was very citrusy, but I'm not a citrus girl. So now we've got berry. I can't wait to see the results. Don't get me wrong, this is a 15-day kit. It's gonna take 30 days to see real results, but knowing how good this product is, and I just want to try the new flavour then to see if I can continue with the berry range over the citrus. Here we go. I love the colour purple. I don't know why, it makes me think of luxury things. I guess let's start this trial right now. I'm gonna give the berry flavour a go, and I just actually saw that this is actually with hyaluronic acid as well, so very, very interesting. I particularly prefer a gel, if I'm honest, when it comes to collagen, because I'm always in a rush. So I can just chuck it in my bag as well. And they do make quite good 11's snack. So at first sniff, it smells like a little bit of Ribena, maybe a blackcurrant squash, which I'm sold on already. Yes! Try and show you the texture, but I also don't want to miss out on the collagen goodness. It's like a gel type, so it's really easy to consume. You don't need to mix it. That is so tasty. I probably have to stop myself from having more than one a day because that's really nice. But yeah, one a day, and there we go. No beef at all in this. It's definitely very blackcurranty, kind of like sweets, which is nice. So sometimes with collagen, people can always think that it would taste either fishy or beefy, but no, they've managed to nail this. Very impressed.
I choose this product because I already drink collagen, but powdered collagen. It's from Vitaglow. I want to try this one because red berry, I think I will really enjoy it. I want another type of collagen that is with hyaluronic acid. I think that this type of supplement helps my skin, my nails, my hair as well. That's red berry, but I have the classic one from another brand, but I think it's a little bit difficult to drink it. It's not so tasteful, but with red berry, probably I will notice the difference. And I never tried another supplement from Protocol. If I don't take some vitamins from fruits or from something else, I can't help my body to receive all the appropriate vitamins it needs. And I tried to drink collagen like 6 months ago. Usually I drink my collagen dose in the evening. I prefer to have it in the evening with combination with my mask, with my eye mask, and all those stuff. It's a part of my beauty routine.